such a fantastic affair. When it comes to call, after taking you up in the air, down it lets you fall. But be patient and soon you will find, if you follow your heart, not your mind, love is waiting there again to take you up in the air again. When love comes in and takes you for a spin, ooh la la la, c'est magnifique. When every night your loved one holds you tight, ooh la la la, c'est magnifique. But when one day your loved one drifts away, ooh la la la, it is so tragique. But when once more he whispers, je t'adore, c'est magnifique.
When you began of love to speak, I followed every word. But when you called love magnifique, I would have called it absurd. And when you said it was often tragique, I would have said it was always comique. So, mademoiselle, be sweet to me, and kindly do not repeat to me.
When love comes in and takes you for a spin, ooh la la la, c'est magnifique. When every night your loved one holds you tight, ooh la la la, c'est magnifique. But when one day your loved one drifts away, ooh la la la, it is so tragique. But when once more he whispers, je t'adore, c'est magnifique. Every time I look down on this timeless town, whether blue or gray be her skies, whether loud be her cheers or whether soft be her tears, more and more do I realize I love Paris in the springtime, I love Paris in the fall, I love Paris in the winter when it drizzles, I love Paris in the summer when it sizzles, I love Paris every moment, every moment of the year. I love Paris. Why, oh why do I love Paris? Because my love is near. I love Paris in the springtime, I love Paris in the fall, I love Paris in the winter when it drizzles, I love Paris in the summer when it sizzles, I love Paris every moment, every moment of the year. Why, oh why do I love Paris? Because my love, because my love is here.
I am dejected, I am depressed, yet resurrected and sailing the crest. Why this elation mixed with deflation? What explanation? I am in love. Such conflicting questions ride around in my brain. Should I order cyanide or order champagne? Oh, what is this sudden jolt? I feel like a frightened colt, just hit by a thunderbolt. I am in love. Such conflicting questions ride around in my brain. Should I order cyanide or order champagne? Oh, what is this sudden jolt? I feel like a frightened colt, just hit by a thunderbolt. I am in love. I knew the odds were against me before. I had no flair for flaming desire, but since the gods gave me you to adore, I may lose, but I refuse to fight the fire. So come and enlighten my days and never depart. You only can brighten the blaze that burns in my heart. For I am wildly in love with you, and so in need of a stampede of love, and so in need of a stampede of love. I knew the odds were against me before. I had no flair for flaming desire, but since the gods gave me you to adore, I may lose, but I refuse to fight the fire. So come and enlighten my days and never depart. You only can brighten the blaze that burns in my heart. For I am wildly in love with you, and so in need of a stampede of love, and so in need of a stampede of love. Just be nice to him, baby, never fear. He's the chickest critic in Paris, dear. If you want to help me have a great career, go along with him. He is fond of you, though I must confess I don't understand it, but nonetheless, if you see your Boris as a big success, go along with him. Go along and do your duty like the good girl you are. Go along with him, my beauty. Go along, but don't go too far. Yet if he should start making love, Sherry, be as cozy with him as you can be. You can still be technically true to me. Come along with him.
Just be nice to him, baby, never fear. He's the chicest critic in Paris, dear. If you want to help me have a great career, go along with him. He is fond of you, though I must confess I don't understand it, but nonetheless, if you see your Boris as a big success, go along with him. Go along and do your duty like the good girl you are. Go along with him, my beauty. Go along, but don't go too far. Yet if he should start making love, Sherry, be as cozy with him as you can be. You can still be technically true to me. Woof, go along, woof, woof. Go along with woof, woof.
Go along with him.
C'est la vie.
And the songs continue. Montmartre, Montmartre, where Paris on a spree gets in you. Montmartre, Montmartre, when the quail never fail to win ya. When they say, oop-la, where are you going, Papa? Montmartre, Montmartre.
Allez-vous-en. Allez-vous-en, monsieur. Allez-vous-en, go away. Allez-vous-en, allez-vous-en, monsieur. I have no time for you today. Do be a dear. Just disappear, monsieur. Bid me goodbye, do, do, do. Allez-vous-en, please go away, monsieur. Or I may go away with you. tyranny we overthrew and the fall of the Bastille. If you tell a Frenchman what to do, or if you tell him what not to do, he will only give one look at you, but the look will be nasty, for France will always curl her lip at those who block her way, and to every form of censorship the French will always say, Vive la liberté! Live and let live, be and let be, hear and let hear, see and let see, sing and let sing, dance and let dance. I like Offenbach, you do not. So what, so what, so what? Read and let read, write and let write, love and let love, bite and let bite, live and let live, and remember this line. Your business is your business and my business is mine. Live and let live, be and let be, hear and let hear, see and let see, drink and let drink, eat and let eat. You like bouillabaisse, I do not. So what, so what, so what? Pray and let pray, slip and let slip, dress and let dress, strip and let strip, live and let live, and remember this line. Your business is your business and my business is mine.
It's the wrong time and the wrong place. Though your face is charming, it's the wrong face. It's not her face, but such a charming face that it's all right with me. It's the wrong song in the wrong style. Though your smile is lovely, it's the wrong smile. It's not her smile, but such a lovely smile that it's all right with me. You can't know how happy I am that we met. I'm strangely attracted to you. There's someone I'm trying so hard to forget. Don't you want to forget someone too? It's the wrong game with the wrong chips. Though your lips are tempting, they're the wrong lips. They're not her lips, but they're such tempting lips that if some night you're free, dear, it's all right. It's all right with me.
There is no trick to a can-can. It is so simple to do. When you once kick to a can-can, 'twill be so easy for you. If a lady in a ran can, if a shady African can, if a jack with a slap of her fan can, baby, you can too. If an English Dapper Dan can, if an Irish Callahan can, if in cans every every tan-quarter sand can. Baby, you can't too. If in Deauville every swell can, it is so simple to do. If Debussy and Ravel can, 'twill be so easy for you. If the Louvre custodian can, if the God Republican can, if Van Gogh and Matisse and Cézanne can, baby, you can't too. If a chief in the Sudan can, if the hefty Aga Khan can, if in Lesbos a pure lesbian can, baby, you can too. There is no trick to a can-can, it is so simple to do. When you once kick to a can-can, 'twill be so easy for you. If a slow-mo Hamadan can, if a kilted Scottish clan can, if in Wagner a Valkyrian can, baby, you can too. If a lass in Michigan can, if an ass in Astrakhan can, if a bass in the Saskatchewan can, baby, you can too.